Welcome to 55th session of Advanced Financial Management, 5th semester BBA of Bangalore University. In this session, let us discuss net asset concept. Recap of previous session. In the previous session, we discussed relative valuation method concept. Now let us discuss the concept of net asset method. The performance of a particular scheme of a mutual fund is denoted by net asset value. In simple words, NAV is the market value of the securities held by the scheme. Mutual funds invest the money collected from investors in securities markets. Since market value of securities changes every day, NAV of a scheme also varies on day-to-day basis. The NAV per unit is the market value of securities of a scheme divided by the total number of units of the scheme on any particular date. NAV is equals to total assets minus total liabilities divided by number of units. Net asset method concept. NAV in simple terms is the price per unit of the fund, just like shares having a share price. Mutual funds have NAV. Generally, mutual fund units begin with a cost of rupees 10 and it rises as the fund's assets under the management grow. Hence, a well-established fund will have a higher net asset value than a newer one. How NAV is calculated? First one, general net asset value calculation. If a mutual fund has NAV of rupees 500, then that is how much you will have to pay for 1 unit of that mutual fund. Conversely, if you invest rupees 5,000 in a mutual fund with a net asset value of rupees 500, then they will allow you 10 units of that fund. Second one, daily NAV calculation. All mutual companies estimate their portfolio worth once the stock market closes at 3:30 p.m. each day. The market opens again the next day with the previous day's closing share prices. The fund house deducts all the outstanding liabilities and expenses accordingly to calculate net asset value of the day using the given formula. Net asset value is equals to assets minus liabilities plus expenses divided by number of outstanding units. Thank you.